In this video, I will show you how you can delete the other storage on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the app drawer, and from here just open the My Files app. Then tap on the three dots over here and select Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for Show Hidden System Files. Now just enable this option. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage, then tap on Show More. Now, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option for Other Files. Now, as you can see, the other file is consuming 127 gigabytes of the total storage on our phone. Now, to delete the other files, first of all, just tap on the Other Files, and from here, just select the files which you want to delete. Now, if you find the files which you want to delete, then just select them and tap on Delete All. Now just tap on Delete and you will delete the selected files on your phone. Now some files can be deleted from here, but there are other files which cannot be deleted. As you can see, if I select these files, there is no option to delete all. Now to delete these files, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your phone. Then tap on Open and select OK. Now just enable this toggle. Now after that, just go back and select Allow. Now from here, just open the Downloads folder, and in this folder, just select the file which you want to delete. For an example, I'll select this folder, then tap on Delete. Just select Yes. Now if we go back to the Settings app, now let's go back. As you can see, as we have just deleted that file, the other storage has reduced from 127 gigabytes to 92 gigabytes. Now just do the same thing for all the other files on your Samsung phone. Now just delete the files which you do not need, just like that. And by deleting these files, you will reduce the other files on your Samsung phone. Also, there is one more method to reduce the other files. Now after you delete the selected files from the Z Archiver app, then just go back and go to the main settings page. From here, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just select the app which you use the most. Now these apps can be social media apps, messaging apps, or even games. For example, I'll select this game, then just scroll down and tap on Storage. Now under the Storage section, you will find the cache data of the selected app. Now just select Clear Cache to clear the cache files of the selected app. Now just go back and do the same thing with all the other apps on your phone. And this is how you can delete the other files on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.